friends, and welcome back. The word of the day is doleful. Its spell is Doleful. Doleful. So let's pronounce with me doleful. Doleful. The word is an adjective and its meaning is filled with or evoking sadness or something causing grief or misfortune. You might be thinking that the word has something to do with doe, but for your surprise, doleful has nothing to do with a doe, a deer, or a female deer, unless one of those animals has a really sad look in its eyes. Nevertheless, the word has taken from Middle English, in which dole is meant for grief. Not to mention that expressions can be doleful too. For instance, the child's doleful expressions on losing his favorite toy. In short, you can use the adjective doleful to describe something that is bringing you down, that makes you want to give into gravity or crawl into bed. Doleful is pretty much the opposite of how a ray of golden sun can make you feel. So, to be doleful is to be down in the dumps, to have a hole in your soul, and to be full of woe. The words that describe doleful well in Urdu are udas, bechain, ranjida, ya ghamnak. Incidentally, the word possesses a list of synonyms. Some of them are sorrowful, agonized, heartbroken, mournful, and miserable. However, the opposite words for doleful are cheerful, joyous, jubilant, blissful, and buoyant. Now let's have a look on its usage in a sentence. I have two examples for you. The first one is, he looked at us searchingly, a doleful expression demanding our sympathy. The second example is, his words filled hearts, turned eyes moist, and made many doleful as he saluted those who were not with us any longer, as they laid down their lives for their country. So that's all for today. Keep practicing the word and keep sharing your feedback and valuable suggestions with us. So see you tomorrow with a new word. Stay with us and have a blissful day.